Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS tutorial on freeCodeCamp to understand absolute versus relative units. So when we use CSS and we have different sizes, there's different units of measurements we can use. And the two main categories that fall under these measurements is absolute and relative. And for the most part, you're going to use relative, but the absolute, some of the examples of absolute is IN and mm, inches or millimeters. And basically they're used more for print. The most common and the default one we see is pixels. And if you're new to coding, I would recommend to just stick with pixels, px for now. But there's other relative units such as em and rem, and they are relative to the font size, to the element's font, or the root element for rem. So for this exercise, and there's a bunch of different ways, percentage as well. So there's a lot of different ways you can do this. For this exercise, we want to add a padding property to the element with class red box and set it to 1.5 em. So 1.5 em is a relative unit based on the font size. So we look at red box. Let me see the font size here. So they want to change the padding to 1.5 em. And we can see how that padding is added inside of this element. Thank you.